And now here is I need to move the nose slightly to the left, right? So here. And actually this also to the right here. Center the mouth a little bit more accurately here. The nose now is here. All right. And this now is coming down like this. I move the mouth to the right. So here, simply reshape the shadow, right, or the dark value like this. So now, wings of a nose here, here. Filtrum. And then this eye here, I need to visualize this eye a little bit better to see if it fits properly in the face, right? Because I might need to move it to the left a little bit. So let me see now. Now that looks good. So this is the iris here. But this iris here is a little bit to the right, so I need to move it to the left. So this space here is too big, so I need to kind of darken this a little bit, blocking in this dark pattern here. See that? Like a V, right? The V. And now this, yeah, it needs to be a little bit to the left here. Which means that I'm going to move the eye slightly, the iris slightly to the left here. Take out that. And add now a little bit of value here. All right, there's a little bit more center, right? See what I'm saying? We can always change position of facial features. You can see how important it is to understand the proportion of the face, right, and the position and positioning of the facial features.